Sometimes we have really complex installations where we have a property that has multiple trees around and we have an electrical outlet over here. If we need to run a lot of extension cable to these trees, we may need to start thinking about using a thicker gauge wire. Okay, this wire here is 14 gauge and the limitations are much higher. This is rated for a full 15 amps, whereas remember, these plugs are only rated to 8 amps. So if you need to run power a much longer distance, you can use this thicker extension cable. Once you get to maybe a more central location with your thicker extension cable, you can now start to run the thinner SPT2 wire from here and just use a power tap over in the center here like this. Of course, making sure that we have no more than 250 feet of extension cord running out from here. If you do have really long distances like this, it's always worth putting a clamp meter on the end and making sure that you're not exceeding the limitations of the wire. If I was doing this project, I would put a clamp meter on down here, test to make sure I'm not pulling more than 15 amps. Actually, 12 amps is a safe limit for this, and that will make sure that we've got a nice and safe display.